Continuing with the investment decision chapter, we are finished investment decision, meaning of capital budgeting. Now significance of the capital budgeting, importance of the capital budgeting. There are lots of significance, importance, but these are the four very important you should not forget. Number one, the question is why capital budgeting is required. What are the importance? What are the significant? Number one, substantial expenditure. For example, your company is investing in a long term investment, right? I said this is company. Which company? This is your company. So your company will invest in a long term assets, which automatically involves huge funds. So it is called substantial expenditure, very high expenditure. So outflow is very high. So the risk is very high. So you have to evaluate where I am going to invest. So for the purpose of that, you have to be very cautious and you have to do the capital budgeting. So these investment decisions are related with the fulfillment of long term objectives, right? Not only the big amount, even the long term objectives. It may take 3-4 years. For that, it depends, everything maybe depend, existence of organization maybe depends upon that investment possibly. So to invest in a project or a projects, it can be one project or it can be more than one projects, a substantial capital investment is required, huge amount is required. So based on the size of the capital and the timing of cash flows, sources of finance are selected. How much has to be selected, from where I can invest, from where can I get the money so that I can invest. So due to huge capital investments and related associated costs, it is therefore necessary for an entity to make such decisions after thorough study and planning. You have to make a thorough study and planning. After only that we can make a investment. So it involves substantial expenditure. Number two, long term time period. So as I said, everything may depends upon your investment, because it may affect 5 years, 10 years. Let's say you are a builder, you started a building 10 floors, you cannot finish it in a one day. Or if you started building a 50 floors of a building, you cannot finish it in a one day. So it requires a long period. The capital budgeting decision has its effects over a long period of time. So whatever these decisions not only affect the future benefits and costs of the firm, but also influence the rate and the direction of the growth of the firm. So whether you are doing the good business, good project, or a good investment, based on that your future growth will be dependent upon. So long time period also one of the importance of the capital budgeting. Number three, irreversibility. Reversibility not possible. Once you invest, done. So most of the investment decisions are irreversible, because once you start the business you have to continue. If you leave at some point, you will incur huge loss. So once the decisions implemented, it is very difficult and reasonably and economically not at all possible to reverse the decisions, because it is a huge amount, involves huge amount. So the reason may be upfront payment of amount. You may incurred already the expenditure, the already advance and all paid, so that is called upfront payment of the amount. Maybe you have a contractual obligations or a technological impossibilities, etc. So it is a irreversible. Because of that, you should be very careful. For that you have to do capital budgeting. Number 4, I said 4 things you have to keep in mind. Complex decisions. So whatever the capital investment decisions are there, no, it involves assessment of future events. I said there may be you require a 5 years, 10 years, 15 years of cash inflows. So it depends upon the future events. It is obviously uncertain. It is a very complex, so which is in fact very difficult to predict what happens in a future. For example, 2020 COVID, we are not expected. It affected huge business. So the future is uncertain and very difficult to predict. Further, it is a quite very difficult to estimate in quantitative terms. So this all involves in amounts, figures. So quantitative terms, in order to arrive in future this much I will get, it is a very difficult. So quantitative terms, all the benefits and cost relating to particular investment decisions. So for that capital budgeting is very important. You cannot go and simply select. So you have to do some capital budgeting. So that is why capital budgeting is very important. These are the significance of capital. Other significance also is there. You can see, for example, long term effect on profitability. Yes, huge investments, as we